This media query in the site-wide media queries file hides desktop CSS from devices with screens less than 769 pixels wide. The problem is that Internet Explorer 6, 7 and 8 can't see desktop CSS either because they don't understand media queries. To solve this problem, you need to attach desktop CSS to each page in the normal way and then wrap the link in an Internet Explorer conditional comment. The Dreamweaver Snippets panel doesn't have a conditional comment that covers all three versions of Internet Explorer, but it only takes a few moments to adapt an existing snippet. So let's get to work. First switch to source code so we can see what's happening in the underlying HTML markup, and then go to Format, CSS Styles, Attach Style Sheet. And I need to browse to the desktop CSS style. Click OK. And there Dreamweaver has inserted a link for the desktop CSS after the site-wide media queries file. We now need to wrap that link in an Internet Explorer conditional comment so that it's hidden from all browsers except Internet Explorer 6, 7 and 8. Now open the Snippets panel. In the setup that I've got here, it's this little icon. But if you haven't set it up like that, go to Window and then Snippets to open it, and expand the Comments folder. Select the If Less Than IE8 conditional comment snippet. Right-click and select Edit from the context menu. This opens the existing snippet ready for editing, and change the name to less than or equal to IE8 conditional comment. Then amend the description so that it reads if the browser version is less than or equal to Internet Explorer 8. And the only thing that you need to do in the snippet itself is to click just to the right of the LT and change that to LTE. So what that stands for is less than or equal to. In other words, this snippet will apply an Internet Explorer conditional comment to browsers that are less than or equal to Internet Explorer 8, which basically means Internet Explorer 6, 7 and 8. That's all that you need to do. Just click OK. Now that you've got a snippet ready, just select that link to desktop CSS and open the Snippets panel if necessary. Select the conditional comment and either click the Insert button down at the bottom or just double-click. And that wraps the link tag in the Internet Explorer conditional comment, hiding it from all browsers except Internet Explorer 6, 7 and 8. You now need to copy that conditional comment and the nested link and paste it into the same position in all the other pages. I'll just show you in one of the pages. So just before the closing head tag, and paste that Internet Explorer conditional comment. It's a nuisance having to attach desktop CSS twice like this, but it's essential to prevent files from being downloaded unnecessarily by mobile devices. And although desktop CSS is attached twice, browsers download it only once. Those browsers that recognize media queries import desktop CSS through the site-wide media queries file. Only Internet Explorer 6, 7 and 8 use the link that you've just wrapped in a conditional comment.